Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And now, today's story, titled The Courage to Speak Up, Liam's Experience. Liam had always been a quiet, introverted person. He was brilliant in his field as a software engineer, but he struggled with social interactions and often found it hard to express his ideas in meetings. Despite his talents, he was overlooked for promotions and leadership roles simply because he couldn't bring himself to speak up. One day, a new project was announced at the company, and it was exactly the kind of challenge Liam had been waiting for. The project required innovative thinking and a fresh approach, areas where Liam excelled. But the fear of speaking up held him back. He was afraid of being dismissed, of making a mistake, or of drawing unwanted attention. That evening, as he was walking home, Liam passed by a community center with a sign advertising a public speaking workshop. Something inside him nudged him to go inside. It was completely out of his comfort zone, but he knew that if he wanted to take his career to the next level, he had to overcome his fear. The moment he stepped into that room, he felt a shift within himself, a flicker of hope that maybe he could change his story. The workshop was run by a former executive, now a coach, named Mr. Morgan. He had a warm, encouraging manner that put everyone at ease. During the first session, Mr. Morgan said something that stuck with Liam. "Your ideas have power, but they only have power if you share them. Don't let fear silence your voice." Liam began attending the workshops regularly, practicing speaking in front of others and slowly building his confidence. It wasn't easy, and there were moments when he wanted to quit, but he kept going. He knew that this was the key to unlocking his potential. After a few months, the time came for Liam to present his ideas for the new project at work. He was nervous, but he reminded himself of Mr. Morgan's words. He walked into the meeting room, took a deep breath, and began to speak. To his surprise, people listened. His ideas were well received, and his confidence grew with each word. As he spoke, Liam felt a newfound sense of liberation, as if each word lifted a weight off his shoulders. The fear that once held him captive transformed into a powerful energy, fueling his passion and creativity. He realized that this was not just about the project, it was about reclaiming his voice and his place in the world. By the end of the presentation, his colleagues were nodding in agreement, and his manager praised him for his innovative thinking. For the first time, Liam felt truly seen and heard. A few weeks later, he was promoted to lead the project, a position he had always dreamed of but never thought he could achieve. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story. Beloved, never underestimate the power of taking that first step. Just as Liam discovered the transformative impact of pushing beyond his fears, you too can find strength in embracing the unknown. Each small action you take towards your goals adds up, building momentum that can change your life in ways you never imagined. Your voice matters, and so do your ideas. Like Liam, you may face challenges in expressing yourself, but remember that your thoughts and contributions have value. The fear of speaking up can be overwhelming, but don't let it hold you back from achieving your dreams. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. Every time you push through your fears, you grow stronger and more confident. The world needs your voice, your ideas, and your unique perspective. Don't let fear silence you. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you struggle with speaking up, find ways to practice and build your confidence, just as Liam did. Seek out opportunities to share your ideas, whether it's in a meeting, a workshop, or even in casual conversations. Each time you do, you'll be taking a step closer to reaching your full potential. And never forget, your voice can inspire others. When you speak up, you not only empower yourself, but you also pave the way for others to do the same. Your courage can be the spark that ignites positive change in your life and in the lives of those around you. So take that first step. Speak up, share your ideas, and watch as the world opens up to you in ways you never imagined. I hope you are inspired by today's story and learn some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetera Shalom. You will succeed.